As I said on Monday, this week's readings show us a side of ourselves that sometimes we don't like to show to others, or at times don't even want to admit to ourselves, the shadow parts of our heart and our soul. We see another example of that today in the first reading from the book of the prophet Jeremiah, where it says, "The people of Judah and Jerusalem said, 'Come, let us contrive a plot against Jeremiah. It will not mean the loss of instruction from the priests, nor of counsel from the wise, nor of messages from the prophets. And so let us destroy him by his own tongue. Let us carefully note his every word.'" So it's clear here that these people are wanting to trick Jeremiah. They're wanting to entrap him in order to do him harm. In other words, they don't want what is best for Jeremiah. They don't want what is best for him. I know in my own life, I would like to say that I always want what's best for others, but I know that I don't. I know that there are times when I don't always want what is best for others. I'm not proud of that. I'm somewhat ashamed of it, but I own it. But what I've learned through the years is that it doesn't do me any good to say, "Oh, don't feel that way," or "I'm not feeling that way." I am. What's important is when I have that feeling is to not act on it, to not act it out like the people of Judah and Jerusalem did to Jeremiah. Feelings are feelings. They come and they go. It's when we act on them that we can do harm to ourselves and do harm to others. Thanks for watching today.